The weather was gray today. I looked out the window. Raindrops made small lines on the glass. My friends were at my house. Tom, Mia, and Liam were here. Buddy, Tom's happy dog, was here too. We watched the rain. It was a slow, quiet day. Mia stood up. "I have an idea," she said. Her voice was bright and loud. "Let's bake a cake, a big chocolate cake." Everyone smiled. A warm cake on a rainy day is a very good idea. Buddy wagged his tail. Liam found a recipe in a book. He read it very carefully. "Okay," he said. "We need flour, sugar, eggs, and chocolate." We went to the kitchen. I put a big bowl on the table. We put the ingredients next to it. Tom pointed to the bowl. He wore his red baseball cap. "Mixing with a spoon is slow," he said. "I have my new invention." He went to his bag and took out a strange machine. It had many wires and a big green button. He called it the Super Mixer 5000. Mia laughed. "Tom, what is that?" "It is very fast," Tom said. He was very proud. He put the flour and sugar into the bowl. Then he put the bowl under his machine. He pushed the green button. The machine made a loud noise. Roar! It was very, very fast. Too fast. Flour went up into the air. It was like a big white cloud in the kitchen. Chocolate powder went everywhere. The machine was a funny mistake. We all stopped. We looked at Tom. He had white flour on his nose and in his hair. He looked surprised. Mia took a picture with her camera. Click! Buddy ran into the kitchen and tried to lick the sweet powder from the floor. We all started to laugh. It was a big, funny mess. "Maybe," I said, with a smile, "we can use a simple spoon." Tom laughed too. Yes, a spoon is a good idea. We all helped clean the kitchen. Then we used a big wooden spoon. We took turns to mix the batter. It was quiet and nice. We put the cake in the oven. Soon, the whole house smelled like warm chocolate. It was a wonderful smell. When the cake was ready, I decorated it. I used yellow icing to draw a happy sun on the top, a little sun for our rainy day. We all sat together and ate a warm piece of cake. It was delicious. Our boring rainy day was now a happy cake day.